I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by heating the dairy. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter over low heat so it doesn't brown. Add 1 cup heavy cream and 1/2 cup milk, then whisk to combine. This creates the creamy base. Once the mixture is warm and slightly steaming, sprinkle in 1 cup grated Parmesan gradually while whisking. This prevents clumping. Make sure to keep heat low and stir continuously, because gentle heat preserves a silky texture and prevents the cheese from separating or becoming grainy. After the cheese melts, you need to control thickness. If sauce is thin, whisk a cornstarch slurry made from 1 teaspoon cornstarch and 1 tablespoon cold milk, then stream it in while stirring. Increase heat slightly and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce coats a spoon. Season with salt, a pinch of white pepper, and a tiny grating of nutmeg to lift flavors. White pepper keeps color uniform. Taste as you go, because dairy masks saltiness. Adjust gradually to avoid oversalting. To finish, toss the sauce with freshly cooked hot pasta and add a few tablespoons of reserved pasta water to loosen the emulsion if needed. This helps the sauce cling. Off heat, swirl in a pat of cold butter to enrich and smooth any minor separation. If the sauce becomes oily or split, whisk vigorously and add a tablespoon of hot water or a splash of cream. If flavor feels flat, brighten with a little lemon zest or more Parmesan, but add sparingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.